Is it not time to start earning a higher revenue stream from your real estate business? As a coach, one of the key elements that we do to help our clients is to help them to generate more revenue for their business. Now, there's two ways of doing it. The first way is increasing the number of transactions that you're doing on an ongoing basis. And in this competitive market, that can become the challenge on its own. But there is another way. If you are at a stagnant level, the same transactions year after year, how do you increase your revenue? Well, it's quite straightforward and simple. You increase your commission offering for your clients. Now, straight out, you're going, but Stuart, if I increase my commission, the chances of me getting that particular listing reduces. Well, that's a myth. You see, what a seller wants is they want a value proposition that's going to help them to sell their property. And if your value proposition is at the highest level, the seller is going to go with you. So, to increase your revenue, look at your commission that you're charging your particular clients. You see, there's something very simple here. An increase of 1% on the commission of the deal, in fact, on a revenue income, is an increase of between 15 and 20%. So the next time you're working with your clients, make sure you've got the strongest value proposition to help that seller sell their property. And that's going to be supported by a higher commission.